Hello incredible educators. Welcome to TeachSmarter AI, your go-to channel for tips, tools, and strategies to make your teaching life easier and more impactful. On this channel we help educators save time, reduce burnout, and teach smarter with the power of AI. Today we're talking about the future of education. I'm talking about AI tools for teachers. These tools are not just techie add-ons. They're real game changers for saving time, boosting creativity, and helping students succeed. If you're tired of grading, planning, and writing feedback for hours, these 5 free AI tools I'm about to share with you will transform your workflow and will change your life. Make sure to stick around until the end. Just one more thing before we dive in. Don't forget to click the like button and be sure to subscribe to TeachSmarter AI so you never miss a video packed with practical teaching tips. Now let's get started. Let's begin with AI tool number 1. MagicSchool AI. MagicSchool AI is an AI-powered platform built specifically for educators. It uses large language models, like GPT, to help teachers automate, differentiate, and streamline their daily tasks, all while maintaining education best practices. With MagicSchool AI, teachers can generate lesson plans based on subject, grade, and standards, create quizzes, exit tickets, and multiple-choice questions, and also write parent emails, behavior notes, or progress updates. It's like ChatGPT but made for the classroom. Tool number 2. Canva Magic Write is an AI-powered writing assistant. It helps you generate high-quality written content with just a few prompts. Canva Magic Write. Use this inside Canva to generate creative worksheets, handouts, or even classroom posters. It's super visual and fun. Tool number 3. ChatGPT with custom prompts. With the right prompt, you can create quizzes, explain tough topics, and even write tailored student feedback. I'll drop 3 of my favorite prompts in the description. Tool number 4. Diffit. Diffit is an AI-powered reading tool for teachers. Teachers can take any topic, text, or URL and instantly generates leveled reading passages, comprehension and questions, vocabulary lists, and summaries. Diffit focuses on tailoring educational content to meet the specific needs of diverse learners, ensuring all students can access and engage with material at an appropriate level. It's designed to help all students access content, regardless of reading ability. Tool number 5. Eduaide.AI. Eduaide is an educator-friendly generative AI tool that is designed to help teachers plan and save time. It leverages the power of generative AI while streamlining common educator tasks in an intuitive user experience. Teachers enter their subject, grade level, and instructional objective, and then select a task for which they'd like help planning and generating content. All content is editable and flexible. And lastly, our bonus tip. Do you want all the links and prompts from this video? Grab my free AI Teacher Starter Pack. Get link in the description. If you're still stuck in every day as a lecture day, you are in the wrong century. These tools are here to save you time, reduce stress, and help your students succeed. Which AI tool are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, or if you have other AI favorites to share. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more tools and tutorials every week. Teach smarter, not harder. See you next time.